Allah Almighty has promised those who courageously reject a sinful practice with that which is better. Ya Allah, this is a promise that provides so much strength and peace and solace and reassurance, particularly to that young Muslim man or that young Muslim woman who may be struggling with a specific addiction of some sort or a particular private doing that they know will distance them from Allah and will distance them from success in the hereafter. Abu Qatada and Abu Dahma, they said, we came to a Bedouin man, they said, and we said to him, have you heard any knowledge from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Did you ever hear him say anything? And he said to them, yes. I heard him say, he said that I heard him say, there isn't anything that you leave for the sake of Allah except that He will replace you with something better. What is that? That is a promise, dear brother, dear sister. And Allah Almighty never fails in His promise. Now don't get me wrong, such a replacement may be delivered to you in an obvious fashion, right? So you have a prohibited relationship of some sort that you cut out, right? And so Allah replaces you with a wonderful, pure, halal relationship, or an impermissible business dealing that you cut out, and so Allah replaces you with a better business dealing, right? And so on. But at the same token, the form of the reward, the replacement, it may arrive in different fashions. It may come in the form of health for your children, or cure from an illness that was on its way to you to cripple you, or a beautiful and righteous spouse, or an ability to pray at night that you were maybe previously struggling with. Allah may replace that sin that you left for His sake in an obvious way, and He may replace it in a way that is better for you. And that is because Allah Almighty knows what is best for you, and therefore the reward for your courageous rejection of the haram is tailored for what you need most, even if you don't realize that you need it. Make the courageous decision from this moment onwards to make amends to those habits, those relationships, those secret doings that you know need evicting from your life, dear brother, dear sister. And then realize that the better replacement from Allah has already been dispatched and it is on its way. Allahu Akbar. May Allah give us the strength to do that.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Hope this video was helpful for you. This may help others too, so please consider sharing, and we will bring more videos in the future, inshallah. So consider subscribing and you won't miss any. Jazakallahu khairan.